Hey, Amy.
Hey, Taylor.
It's time. It's time.
Already?
To do the Coco 3!
It is that time.
This was a gift to us at Coco Fest.
Mm-hmm.
And
2023, I guess I'll specify just in case.
Brian Wiesler is the gentleman who was kind enough to donate this to the channel. Now, the next thing that happened after we opened this, which was gift wrapped and, just we're overcome with joy, is my literal next question to the Coco group standing around me was, how do I plug it into a television? So many choices. It has RF out, it has composite out, and it has this weird little thing down here. These little pins, which say RGB out. So the answer to my query, was buy a switcheroo from the Cocoman.
Thanks, Cocoman.
Whose booth was directly across from us, so that was super convenient.
So we're like, hey!
This is the switcheroo. And Amy, 'tis SCART. Whew! That was a near miss. So we are about to be SCART converts.
We're about to be SCARTed on.
So you buy this, and then you also grab
If it's a European.
one of these that turns SCART into HDMI. SCART, HDMI. So we're going to hook it up. So this thing goes in your converter.
It's so shiny.
It is so shiny. Now, it has all these things that come off of it, as you can see, and that is because everything is included. You don't have to add any of these things. So this is the guy, this rainbow bridge
We love rainbow bridge.
that goes in the world's strangest video output here. Done.
But what a nice little pathway. It's got little wire management.
Meanwhile, we've got this guy to do our composite video. And the whole thing is powered by USB. So we're going to plug that in. So once it's all plugged up,
All plugged up.
you get this. This is composite. Does this look like what you're used to, Amy?
Sure.
I mean, look at it.
Yeah, it does look.
Now watch this.
Okay.
It's so clear. It's so clean.
What is this black magic?
Look at that. Look at the difference
it really
between.
does
Okay,
clean it up.
composite. That's
Okay.
amazing.
Okay, I kind of want to.
Yeah, bring it in. Bring it in.
Because I know that's one problem that we are not great at is it's hard to change our stuff sometimes.
Here, I'll just run a little quick.
Oh gosh, let me just cackle into the microphone.
All right, you ready for RGB?
Yeah. That is...
Look at that. And that's composite, which is so much better than RF.
Yeah.
This is why I thought we might be SCART converts.
Huh.
Yep.
Huh. Oh, SCART, huh?
Yeah. Now, so we got the switcheroo.
Which we will put a link to.
Oh yeah, in the description. Holy goodness, this is amazing.
Come to Coco Fest.
Okay, so that solved plugging it up.
That is crazy
Isn't
good.
it? I know, right? So then the next thing that I asked was, this says Tandy 128K Color Computer 3. Can I make that a lie? Can I upgrade the RAM? There are many RAM upgrades, and the modern, there's lots of modern places you can get a RAM upgrade,
Right.
but Tandy sold one back in the day, and given that we were at Cocoa Fest, I convinced Sloopy to sell me this one.
Thanks, Loopy.
Which is a 512K RAM board from Tandy. So here's the front, but look, it's got the Tandy sticker on the back.
That's awesome.
So this is the original type of 512 upgrade from back in the day. So we're going to turn it off, take it apart, pull out some RAM, BRB.
BRB.
All right, I got all the screws out. Sweet. So here she is. There's this little jail. And the keyword. This is all very familiar. Now the RAM layout is different. Remember when we did the Coco 2 mod, all the RAM was right here.
Can't forget.
Not the case now.
Will there be blood?
Oh, it could happen. What?
Is it important? Probably.
No idea.
Probably not.
Hope not.
Huh.
All right. So if you want to bring in the camera,
I do.
I'm going
Here
to.
is this
Thank
puppy.
you.
And you're on.
Yeah, we're gonna pull out these 4 RAM chips. If you want to look at these,
I do. Oh, come on. In
we're
here.
gonna pull out 1, 2, 3, and 4 here with this chip puller that we always use.
We always know where it is.
It's never lost. All right, now we are going to take very good care of these because the plan is to use them to upgrade the Atari 600 XL
Yes.
to 128 from 64, I think. So we're gonna be yes.
Waste nothing.
Okay.
Get out of there, dude.
Get under there.
Get there, dude.
Satan.
Oof. I know. Okay, bloodless.
3 out of 4.
Oh god, sorry, it's with you.
Okay, so that was ICs 16, 17, 18, and 19. Now, we need to cut capacitors C65 and C66. So there is C66 right there, and there is C65 right there. These 2 little green guys. All right, we're going to cut C66 and C65. I'm just gonna snip that one. That one's done. So we can get in here.
Yes.
I made a huge mess. All right. Now, so we've cut the 2 capacitors and we've taken out these sims. So now we just affix the board along these pins, making sure the pins are lining up correctly. And they seem to be.
Excellent shot to get the back of your head.
I wanted to go down in the thing. It has these little feet on it that need to push through so that they can be standing where they're supposed to. Yeah. And that's the pops you're hearing. There we go. Or the feet.
Satisfying.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, exactly.
Okay.
Or the feet popping in. Is that all the way seated? It doesn't. I guess. All right. Okay. We've got her back together.
We played with the hello.
She's booting fine. We play with
Yeah,
a
we
little.
play
I
with a
mean,
little bit.
obviously that's your first thing you test. But
Scart! Scart! It says Scart!
so
Sorry, I got
while
excited.
we were at Cocoa Fest, the people who sell the Cocoa SDC, Retro Rewind.
Love them.
We're at the booth next to us.
Yes,
Super
our buddies.
Nice guys. Love them.
We love them.
They gave us a diagnostic cart.
Yes, yeah, literally, because they were like, here, thanks.
So we can use this to see if our RAM upgrade worked.
Yes.
Because it will tell us if anything's wrong.
Yeah, I mean, I cannot. Cocoa Fest, if you can go. It's great. With such great people. Oh, wow, look at all this.
Look at all the test options.
Cocoa Diagnostic.
I want X, extended RAM.
How much? Oh, are we earning money? Is this Bitcoin?
No, it's... I'm not.
Am I?
Yeah, we're gonna exit this. Let's kind of.
Are we farming Bitcoin?
No. Let's check sound.
Am I a bro? Oh, guys!
Do it again! Do it again! This is awesome.
That's
right.
the best.
Video.
This
This is so great! These are all the video modes. Basic ROM.
What is it?
Because this comes with the... Remember how we
Look at it,
upgraded the Cocoa 2 from Color Basic to Extended Color Basic?
Mm-hmm.
What does that mean?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Like Steve.
This comes with Super Extended Color Basic.
Super.
Yes.
Extreme! Like it drank a Mountain Dew and now it's ready.
I really feel like Extended RAM is the test we should be doing, though.
Okay.
This could take a minute. Well, it has no errors so far.
Running extended memory test. I mean, it's already better than loading a tape.
Yeah, but if it's checking it 1 bit at a time, because these are all addresses, right? Because when you're using assembly, like the $sign is the address and the octothorpe is the value.
Good use of the word octothorpe. We may need to break out the skeletons.
I could have that backwards also. But I want to say, it makes more sense that these would be memory addresses rather than memory values. Yeah. This is going to be an old lady situation. For those of you new to the channel, please see our Happy Halloween video from 2022.
I like the boiled sweets.
I do.
So how's your day?
You know, pretty great. Pretty great. Spin it with you. All right, we're not doing this.
Spin it with you.
Okay, we're just gonna plug in the SDC and play some games.
I hate combos. Game.
What's your favorite letter? We're gonna play a game that starts with that letter. Name a letter between A and Z.
M.
M. Mansion, Medieval, Atom, Magic, Malcolm, Manic. Is that Manic Minor?
Check it.
Manic. Starring Minor Willie.
Did we even know we...
Why is this music pleasant?
I just was thinking
And
that.
a jackhammer to my brain.
And like...
All right, I'm gonna
It's
get some
lovely.
joysticks.
Okay.
Oh yeah. We got a new joystick at Cocoa Fest too, because we usually use the black beaties.
Mm-hmm.
Why is this in black and white?
That I don't know.
Oh, jump works. Left and right, not so much. That's working.
Oh!
What's Marauder?
Try it. I'm also interested in...
I would like it to be in color. Ugh. Space Marauder.
Ooh!
Nothing.
This is really cool.
I accidentally warped power
Dude.
shield.
Oh.
I can't move. I can't move.
Wait, wait.
Oh, wait.
Is it was the... How'd you move? You did.
Oh, now the joystick's working.
Oh.
I've really got to start firing.
Yeah, you do. This is really neat. Oh, wow, that one's
Firing
fast.
doesn't do a lot.
It's like popcorn. Ooh.
Ooh.
Oh, God. It really is jarring. Yeah. I mean, it blows up some.
Am I supposed to be avoiding or blowing up all of them, or is avoiding them good enough?
Ooh. I think avoiding them up. Your shields are going down.
No doubt.
You got 150.
These graphics, though, that's pretty good.
I'm impressed. And like when he warped.
Yeah, you might want to move the camera a little for the TV.
Okay. I think.
Now Amy's gonna play.
Oh, am I?
You have to warp.
I think just do it. They just do it for you. Okay.
It's a little darker. Like, it's so much brighter
Yeah.
on RGB.
Oh yeah, not. What are some of the popcorn in this pop?
They are popcorn.
But some of them don't pop. Yeah. Ooh.
Can
McGobbler.
McGobbler. Gobbler. One player.
Yeah.
What's your name?
Is this gonna wait till everybody shoot? Toss. What's the,
Zero.
What child?
Ah!
Oh, it's
It's Pac-Man. Gobbler.
I don't know that.
Gobbler's Pac-Man.
I don't know that.
You're great at it.
I don't think that I'm affecting
Not working?
the gameplay. Mr. Dig.
Munchkin.
Loading blaster.
Speed up poke.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Double or title.
It's supposed to be.
Munchkin blaster. Oh, it's so brighter. It's very brighter on that, but it's so crispy on that. I'm gonna blast the munchkins. Base killer, blob, munchkin.
Okay. I'm sorry.
The object is to move your cross over the bad guys and using the fire button kill them with your lasers. Beware of the base killer.
It'll travel towards one of your bases and destroy it. The game is over when both bases are destroyed.
I feel like this joystick doesn't work great.
Sorry, maybe I need to.
I'm gonna try my Black Beauty.
Black Beauty time.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, I can move that little guy.
Oh. Wait, what?
I'm trying to get that guy.
Yeah, you are. Alright, he is a one shot, one kill kind of dude. Oh, it blocks it?
No, that's aiming it.
Okay.
Am I not shooting him? I got him.
Okay, give it up.
I'm gonna go up and get him.
Get the blob. Wait, that's not the blob, that's the... Your reticle's kind of... Okay, ooh, yeah. You gotta wander over.
Yeah, I seem to have a vertical but not a horizontal.
Yeah. It's like they're using the term cross loose.
Got him.
Oh, man.
One shot, one kill. This has got to be better for the video.
Yeah. It'd be better to be able to see it. At least that's a blob. What's he do though?
Got him.
What's he doing? What do you got? You're like, dang it,
You
I
have
got
to be
him.
right in the center.
Alright, she's too good at this.
I'm tired.
You're just gonna have to let it go.
Yeah.
All right, that's our game on challenge score for Lemon Attack.
All right. So super excited that we have a Coco 3. We're gonna do more Coco things.
Yeah.
We've got it all beautifully upgraded and RGB'd with skirts.
Freaking
I mean, that
awesome.
is just
freaking awesome.
okay. All right. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Thanks, Cocoman. Thanks, Retro Rewind.
Thanks, Brian Weisler.
And Brian Whistler. So, yeah, like, subscribe,
Comment.
merch if you want it.
Peace.
That's all I got, all right?
Bye.
All right, see you next time.
Boo.